I wanted to build a business that brings cash flow. Not a business where towards the end of the month we're all running around and say, what deal can we close? What deal can we close? I never wanted to be pushed by my managers when I was working as to when are we going to close this. My aim was to build such a big pipeline and deal with the customer when they're ready to buy. So if I've got $3 million of a pipeline, I can work out my average that every month I'm going to close 200,000 or something like that. And if 200,000 is twice what my target is, I'm okay with that. So my aim has always been go out, work hard, make your pipeline so big that even if you meet a customer today who does not have the money, because businesses change, if they buy in 8 months' time, you still don't care because you have shown them value and they would definitely act when the time comes, all right? So don't go chasing around people and say, please buy now, we can give you an extra 10% discount so that you close this month. It's a sign of desperation, and customers don't like that. You have to be trusted that what you're saying for them, what you're going to deliver, you're going to deliver.